4-8 Pythagorean Theorem. I can use Pythagorean Theorem and its boundaries to solve.
Okie dokie, thank you, Ainsley. So first of all, two items when defining Pythagorean Theorem. One would be the formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And secondly, a more thorough definition would be it is a theory, hence the word theorem, on how to find the side lengths of a right triangle. Right triangles consist of three sides. Two of them are legs. One is a hypotenuse. Legs are the smaller sides. Hypotenuse is the larger side. Number 4 shows a diagram of a right triangle with the legs being the shorter sides and the hypotenuse opposite the right angle being the longer side. Class, again, where is the hypotenuse always located? Go.
Opposite of the right angle.
Good. So the hypotenuse is always located opposite the right angle. And the hypotenuse is always called what letter?
C.
C. And the legs would be?
A and B.
A and B. Awesome. Okay. Cheat sheet idea, really quick reference. Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared, which is the same thing as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Since legs are a and b, hypotenuse is c. Solving Pythagorean theorem is just like solving an algebraic equation. We have a squared plus 4 squared equals 12 squared in our setup of the problem, because we have one side being a, one side being 12, and one side being 4. The side that is 12 is the hypotenuse, therefore it is located on the opposite of the equal side. Do your math, and then the thing that is a little bit different than what we've probably done in the past, I think we've done a couple problems like this. When we get to our variable, a squared, it's still not technically getting the variable by itself. So we're going to do the square root of a squared to get to the variable a. So the square root of a squared gives us a. And since we're doing the square root of the left, we have to do the square root of the right. And 128 is 11.31 units. Why do we have units as our label? Someone explain why units are labels, Ritika.
Because if there's no label given, then you use units.
Good. We did not, or I did not give you a label in the original problem. I just gave you 12, 4, and a. But since it is a measurement, you got to have some sort of label. We don't know what the label technically is, so we just use units. That is also our cheat sheet idea. Number 6 and number 7 you can look at on your own. It should be self-explanatory. Number 8 is the word problem. The big thing on this word problem is, again, we're using Pythagorean theorem. Just be sure that if you're confused with the problem, even if you're not confused with the problem, draw a picture so that you can see what it looks like. So if you read through the problem with Nicolette and Paxton and with their various trips across the country, it'll make more sense to you as you do this problem. Our cheat sheet idea would be use pictures to solve word problems. Questions before I shut down?